Welcome to my channel, KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you 6 tasty carnivore sandwiches that my family and I really enjoy. But before we can make the sandwiches, you'll first have to bake a loaf of my carnivore sandwich bread. The link for the bread video and the written recipe for all the sandwiches plus their macros will be in the description box below. I decided to make this video because I know everybody knows how to make a sandwich, but I wanted to share how easy it is to make a nutritious meal out of carnivore bread and a few other tasty ingredients. As I make each of the sandwiches, I will also provide the macros so you can decide which sandwich and how much you can eat to meet your nutritional needs. I also want to mention that this bread is so sturdy and delicious that it makes a perfect toast for your breakfast, such as bacon and eggs. Before starting to make the sandwiches, here are some of the ingredients I will be using in the 6 different sandwiches. To begin with, my first sandwich I will make is my carnivore grilled cheese sandwich, which has 39.4 grams of protein, 11.7 grams of total and net carbs. One of my most favorite sandwiches is a simple grilled cheese sandwich, and I love serving it with my homemade chicken bone broth. The combination of the sandwich and the bone broth makes a perfectly satisfying, healthy meal. For this sandwich, begin with 2 slices of bread and generously spread unsalted butter on the outside of the 2 slices. On the inside portion of the sliced bread, I distribute 1/2 cup of sharp or old cheddar. I find that brings out the best taste. Put the second slice of bread on top so that the butter is side on the outside into your frying pan, which is set over medium heat. And because I want my cheese to melt really nicely, I place a cover on the pan. When the underside of my grilled cheese sandwich is done, I flip it over and grill until the second side is also nicely golden. The outside of the sandwich is nice and crispy and the cheese is wonderfully soft and melted. So all I have to do is cut it in half and serve it. And now I'm all done and it's time to enjoy this amazing grilled cheese sandwich. Now to make sandwich number 2, my carnivore egg salad sandwich, which has 35.9 grams of protein, 11.2 grams of total carbs, 0.3 grams dietary fiber, resulting in 10.9 grams of net carbs. I begin by first making my egg salad, but for the carnivore version, I leave out the celery and some of the other ingredients, but you can include or exclude whatever ingredients you want in your egg salad. After making your egg salad, scoop out between 1/3, but I prefer 1/2 cup of egg salad, place it on the bottom slice of bread, and cover it with the top slice. That's all you have to do for this amazing sandwich. And because of the mayonnaise in the egg salad, the sandwich is nice and moist and absolutely delicious, perfect for breakfast or lunch. Sandwich number 3 is going to be my carnivore pulled pork sandwich, which has 53.1 grams of protein, 11 grams of carbs, 0.5 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 10.5 grams of net carbs per sandwich. And it's absolutely delicious. For this sandwich, I'm going to use some of my slow cooker pulled pork, which I made several days ago. The pulled pork is really easy to make, and like with the rest of the recipes, the link is in the description box. I'm going to spread a thin layer of Dijon mustard over the bottom slice of bread because I think it enhances the pulled pork flavor, but you can omit it if you're on a more strict lion diet. Then simply distribute 1/2 cup of your pulled pork over the mustard. And as I said, I really like the Dijon mustard, so I'm going to also spread some mustard on the top slice of bread, which I place over the pulled pork, and here we are. An absolutely amazing lunch or dinner sandwich. The next sandwich I'm going to make is my carnivore egg and sausage sandwich, which has 47.5 grams of protein, 13.6 grams of total carbs, 0.1 gram of dietary fiber, resulting in 13.5 grams of net carbs for the entire sandwich. This is my version of an Egg McMuffin sandwich. So I begin by getting my skillet and melting a little bit of lard on it. To make the perfectly round fried egg, I'm going to use my cookie cutter, which I buttered very generously, and crack the egg right into that. Then I like to poke the yolk to spread it out and season with salt and pepper. To help my egg cook more quickly, I place a little metal bowl on top. This keeps the heat in and steams the egg so it cooks more evenly and quickly without over frying it. And when your egg is done, remove it from the frying pan. But the next part is optional. I add butter to the skillet, let it melt, and then I place my 2 slices of bread in the skillet. Then I grill the bread, and when it's nicely brown on the bottom, I flip it over and grill the other side, and then I remove the grilled bread from the frying pan. For my sausage, I like to use a fresh, mild Italian sausage. I cut open the skin and remove the meat, flatten it out into a patty, and place it in my frying pan. I fry it first on one side and then on the other side, making sure the meat is cooked all the way through. To make this sandwich, I begin by getting a slice of my grilled bread and placing my grilled sausage on top, placing my fried egg on top of the sausage, and covering it all up with a second slice of bread. This is simple and easy and is a perfect breakfast McMuffin sandwich substitute, or even use it for your lunch. The 5th sandwich I'm going to make is my Carnivore Tuna Salad Sandwich, which has 38.4 grams of protein, 13.3 grams of total carbs, 0.8 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 12.5 grams of net carb for the entire sandwich. For the sandwich, I pre-made my tuna salad, which I have posted previously, and the link is in the description box. So get your 2 slices of bread and fill half a cup with the tuna salad. Then distribute the tuna salad over the slice of bread, and then place the second slice of bread on top. And there you have it. Quick, simple, and that's all there is to making this tuna salad sandwich. Super easy. And now I'm going to make the 6th and last sandwich, my Carnivore Black Forest Ham and Swiss Cheese Sandwich, which has 38.1 grams of protein, 10 grams of total and net carbs because there's no dietary fiber. For this sandwich, I'm going to spread some mayonnaise, but you could also use unsalted butter. Then spread it over both slices of bread, and then get your shaved Black Forest ham and place it on top of the mayonnaise. Because my Swiss cheese slice is too big, I'm going to fold it in half and place it over the ham and place the second slice of bread mayonnaise side down. I really like this sandwich. It's super quick and easy. All you have to do is get your Black Forest ham and your Swiss cheese from your deli, and you don't have to do any other prep. Now that I've made all 6 different types of sandwiches, I'm going to let my guys choose which sandwich they want for their lunch. If you have a moment, please leave me a comment and let me know what other sandwiches you would make with the carnivore bread. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Your support means so much to me. If you would like some more tasty carnivore recipes, please check out the end cards I have posted here. Please come back next time I post a video, and until then, have a happy and healthy day. Cheers!